Today, we're going inside a recycling factory to see something unbelievable. How plastic bottles transform into soft, wearable shirts. And the surprising part? This process is not only eco-friendly, it's also a huge business. Welcome to Factory Fortune. It all starts with used plastic bottles collected from homes, beaches, and recycling bins. Its sorting facilities, machines separate PET bottles from other plastic types. Only clean, transparent PET qualifies for turning into fabric. What looks like waste is about to become something valuable. The bottles are fed into powerful shredders that break them into tiny flakes. These flakes go through hot water washing lines to remove labels, glue, and dirt. The cleaner the plastic, the higher the quality of the fabric. This step is where most recycling factories invest heavily because purity equals profit. Next, the clean flakes are melted at around 260 degrees Celsius. The molten plastic is pushed through microscopic holes, forming long, thin threads. As these threads cool, they turn into solid fibers that look and feel like synthetic hair. This is the moment plastic becomes usable textile material. The fibers enter spinning machines that twist them into yarn. Then, industrial looms weave this yarn into fabric at high speed. Within minutes, smooth rolls of cloth are produced, lightweight, durable, and surprisingly soft. This is why many sportswear brands love recycled PET fabric. The fabric travels to garment factories where laser cutters shape out shirt pieces, sewing machines stitch them together, add collars and tags, and finish the product. What was once a throwaway bottle is now a shirt ready for the market. Here's where the money comes in. A used plastic bottle is almost worthless. But once turned into fabric and then clothing, its value can increase up to 80 times. Companies that control collection, production, and branding build powerful profit margins. Products made from recycled materials have high retail value, but low raw material cost. That's why recycled apparel is one of the fastest growing industries in the world. So yes, a simple bottle can become a stylish shirt. Factories are proving that technology can turn waste into wealth and simple materials into million-dollar opportunities. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more factory and industry explorations.